Okay, paper 2, question 13, part B. Well, there's our answer from 13, part A there. So we can now define our function, f1 of x, to be defined as equal to, so control template, and I can now put in the values for a, so it'll be 3x to the power of 4. My value for b was 4, so it's x to the power 3. There were no x terms, and there was just a plus 1 on the end. Now I'm being asked to find out where an inflection is, so that's the second derivative, so I've pressed template and go to second derivative and choose that. I can second derivative with respect to x of, and to type in f1x there, I'll just press var, pull up f1 of x, and I want that all equal to 0. Now when I press enter, it should give me an error because it doesn't know what x is, but what I'm now going to do is I'm going to try and solve that for x. So if I do menu, algebra, numerical solve, that expression for x, will it give me an error? It says that there's an inflection at 0. Now we don't know if that's true or not. It might be worth just having a quick look at the graph. And also that's just the x coordinate. I'd have to work out the y coordinate as well. So that would simply be a case of f1 of 0 being 1. So we think there's an inflection on the y-axis. Let's just visually check that. Control dock to get a graph page. We'll just press up and then press enter. And it does indeed appear to be a rising inflection at the coordinates when x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Now that may not be the only inflection. It's certainly one of them. We need to go checking for others. So doing a numerical solve, let's try and press control equals and given and say x is greater than 0. Are there any more further to the right? And it says there's no solution found. Let's just go to the left as well. Make x control equals less than 0. And we do have another one there. Looks like negative 2/3. And if it indeed is negative 2/3, let's just turn it to a fraction. Menu, number, approximate to a fraction. We do indeed have negative 2/3 there. So we need the value of the function at that point. So by pressing var, we get f1 of negative 2/3, and I get 11/27. So we found two inflections. Maybe there's a third. Let's just go up and type in this nsolve command, but this time look for x to be less than negative 2/3. Just a bit of cutting and pasting and deleting there. It seems not to be able to find another one. What we can do is just take a small amount off negative 2/3 to make it a little bit less, and it says no solution found. So we can be confident we have two inflections at the 2 points discovered. That's part B done.